Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Samsung SmartThings to control connected appliances, beginner guide step by step clearly.
To begin, make sure you have the Samsung SmartThings app installed on your smartphone. Open the SmartThings app. If you don't have an account, tap on Sign Up to create one. If you already have an account, simply log in using your credentials.
Once logged in, you'll see the main dashboard.
Look for the Add Device button, typically represented by a plus sign. Tap on Add Device to start connecting your appliances. Choose the type of device you want to add from the list. Follow the on-screen instructions specific to your appliance type. Ensure your appliance is powered on and in pairing mode.
If necessary, refer to the appliance's user manual for instructions on enabling pairing mode.
When prompted, connect your phone to the appliance's Wi-Fi network if applicable. Once connected, return to the SmartThings app.
The app will scan for available devices.
Select your appliance from the list displayed. Once your appliance is detected, tap on it to bind it to your SmartThings account. You may be asked to give your device a name. Choose a name that reflects the appliance or its function for easy identification. After naming your device, proceed to the next screen. Review the settings and tap Add or Finish to complete the connection. Your appliance should now be visible on your SmartThings dashboard. To control your appliance, tap on its icon in the dashboard.
You can access various functions like turning on, off, adjusting settings, or setting schedules. Explore the SmartThings app to discover additional features and automation options. Consider setting up routines to enhance your smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.